In today's video, we will show you how to take out the front bumper of 2011 Rogue SV. It's damaged from the front left fender. So we will take out the bumper and we will show you DIY how to take out 2011 Nissan Rogue bumper. List of tools needed for this takeout. Door upholstery remover, which we will use to take out clips. T for Tom T25 Torx screwdriver. Dewalt impact driver with 10mm nutsetter. If you don't have Dewalt gun, don't worry about it, you can use the round head ratchet. These are the tools you need to be loaded with before taking down the bumper. So let's jump into it. We lift the car a little bit. First step is to always open from underneath. For some reason they use zip tight in this section. That's not how the cases are usually. But normally you will see a clip on the side where it's attached with the fender liner of both sides. There comes a clip. The same goes for the other side as well. But just to show you, on the other side we noticed that there's a bolt as well along with the clip. This is the side where we will be using the T25 Torx screwdriver. After the underneath part is done, now we open both sides. Both sides opened, now we open from top. Once opened from all over, we now slightly pull the bumper. In our case, we had a fog light, so we need to unplug the wire. That was it. We knocked out a bumper.